Welcome. If you want to keep full control over your Telegram group and prevent other admins from adding new admins, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step by step how to disable the Add New Admins permission for any admin in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, following the latest update. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look at your chat list and select the group where you're an admin. This process only works if you have admin rights in the group, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. Now with the group open, click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will bring up the group's profile and settings panel. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil or similar, next to the group name. Click on this edit icon to enter the group management settings. Inside the settings menu, find the section labeled Administrators and click on it. This will display a list of all admins currently in your group. Scroll through the list and select the admin whose permissions you want to change. Click directly on their name to open their admin rights settings. In the admin rights menu, you'll see a variety of toggles for different permissions. Look for the option labeled Add New Admins. By default, this might be enabled, allowing the selected admin to promote others to admin status. To prevent this, simply turn off or disable the Add New Admins toggle. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save to apply the new settings. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your changes won't take effect. That's it. By following these steps, you ensure that only you or selected admins can add new admins to your Telegram group, giving you tighter control and better security for your community. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your Telegram groups. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.